Hey out there on YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got something pretty interesting from CRKT in the shop today. It's not a knife, it's more of a tool. So stay tuned after I roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I know you already know what's in the box. We're going to take a look at the James Williams Tactical Pen 2. But for you first-time viewers of the channel, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, man, please look right down here, okay? There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing. It should pull you up to subscribe. Go ahead, knock that out the way early in the video. That way you ain't got to worry about it later. Now, as I said, guys, I know you were taking a look at the thumbnails and the titles. You already knew what was in the box, but still, here it is, okay? Now, I know we've taken a look at some other weird instruments and weird tools and weird everyday carry items on the channel, and I figured, why not? James Williams is basically America's premier prepper and one of the ultimate martial artists we have ever had. And I like the fact that he designs items that can hide in plain sight that could give you an extended chance at surviving a bad situation. Okay? So let's get all the wonderful stuff out of the way early. It is made from 6160 aircraft aluminum grade, hard-coated color anodized. It has a non-reflective tactical black surface, which I think is pretty freaking cool. Seriously, I really do. It looks like an easy, normal pen, no problem. It's got an overall length of about 6 inches, which pretty much stays par with every other pen that's out there. It's lightweight at 1.4 ounces, and it holds a Fisher Space Pen ink cartridge. The only weird side, it's made in China. Oh, in case you guys hear it, the cuteness factor is back on the channel today. She wanted to be over here while Daddy was filming videos, so she's playing with her Paw Patrol toys. So if you hear her in the background, just make sure you say hello down below. Alright, now this one doesn't have anything really funky or really weird twisting to do whatever. You just basically uncap it, and there is your pen. You unscrew it right here, and that will let you get inside to replace the pen. So pretty much easy, hides in plain sight, but the front is a great coup baton. Great popping someone, hit pressure points, help you able to control things. You know, I'll tell you honestly, I wouldn't want to get popped in the throat with this, or in the sternum, or even in an artery anywhere. You will feel it, you know? And I mean, in all due honesty, it already serves its purpose. It writes, no problem. Okay? I know. What else can you say about a pen other than, well, I don't want to get hit by it. I just don't. And that's just simple cardboard. Imagine doing that right into somebody really, really stupid. Alright, so I'm going to keep this one short, sweet, quick, and simple. Because honestly, there's not a lot you can say about a Kubotan pen that hides in plain sight. There's no real gimmicks on it. You know, there's no real gimmicks on this thing whatsoever. It is straightforward. I am going to try to disable you so I can get away. Or stun you, or momentary impact you. Now, I will say I have been carrying this one for a little while just to get a good feel for it, okay? The only part I feel wonky about is the clip up here, because it's... Hey, I'm trying to film this. Give me one moment, okay? It really seems to pull back down, so that could pop off easy, which I have seen in some feedback on some reviews. Now, the cost on this guy over on Amazon is $38.16. Blade HQ, it's currently going for $49.95. And on CRKT, it's basically $60, $59.95. Over on Amazon, it's got a rating of 4.7 stars out of 5 with 11 reviews. Blade HQ, 5 out of 5 with 1 review. Baby girl, please, I'm almost done. Let me finish this, okay? And over on CRKT, it's rated 3 out of 5 stars, like I said, with 1 review. So, with all that fun stuff being said, I want to know what you think. I know it's a weird one, okay? I mean, that was just a little pop right there in the cardboard, and look at that thing. You know? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything, just down below in the comment section. I know it's a weird one, but this might be able to help somebody, so I figured why not bring it to the channel? Besides, it gives me something cool to carry every single day that just makes me giggle going, come closer, come closer. Alrighty, so if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I'm going to start wrapping this one up. Man, thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view this pretty weird video. Alright, I know it's a pen, and everyone's like, a big deal, it writes, who cares? But like I said, there were some other interesting things in there, hopefully you liked. So, now, for you long-time viewers of the channel, and you first-time guys, alright, look down here. You're going to be seeing a big old channel symbol popping up right down there. Man, click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you beat up that subscribe button, go ahead and destroy that bell icon that is right next to it. Why? Good question. It's going to let you know every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on this side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My very quick look at the James Williams Tactical Pen 2. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one today.